Alright, this is Jim, and that's Dave. This is 50-mile-an-hour Alaska winds, and we're out here to waste some ammunition, so watch this. Block 36. Can't even see where they're going. So you might think a 45 would do it. You'd be able to see where they're going, right? Can't even see where they're going. You know what, Jim? Let's try the M16. That might work. Good idea. But you know what? I have the funniest feeling we're not going to see where this is going either. Get a good sight. Get a good sight target. Nothing.
You shut it off, dude.